Welcome to the Forge. Here we have an overview of the home inspection vertical within InspectForge. It looks the same on any device, web, Android, or iOS. As you can see, we have the dashboard here with quick links, quick stats, and also any scheduled items that you have, along with a map to those inspections if you have them scheduled for today. Any items that need your attention are automatically flagged, along with all of your schedules, total photos, current average revenue, and the recent revenue. Scrolling down, you have your inspection analytics, some status, and also any scheduled items will appear here, which we will go through in this video. There's also the MI6 Assistant, which is available at any time to assist you with creating schedules, adding properties, clients, templates, or editing the included website with InspectForge. Here we have the client dashboard where all of your clients will be listed. You can import from template, or you can add new client using the new client flow. Very simple. On the properties tab, we have a list of all the properties which are assigned by client. If the inspection is completed, you will see the picture of the home that is used for the report. If the inspection is not completed, is pending, you won't see any photos. All of the details per property are listed. You can also use the lookup property, which finds the details that are located on the internet with Zillow to automatically populate all of the property details. Clients are assigned to each individual property that will show on the client dashboard. That way, if you have agents, they will see all of their properties and all of the inspections immediately upon completion. In the template section, we have all of the templates shown that come with the software. There's many that cover several industries, as well as some government and NSPIRE and HUD homes, wood destroying insect. All of these come automatically with the software. Adding a new template is as simple as creating the template. You can use MI6, the master inspector, to create a template based on any requirement you have, or you can customize existing templates that you have created, or you can start from scratch to create your template however you like. On the agreement page, we have all of the agreements that you would need for any inspection that you conduct. Agreements are something that you send to a client as one of the unique features that has been recently added to InspectForge is the My Website tab. Inside of here, you can automatically generate using AI your own website, or if you prefer more granular control, you can always customize using the 4 areas shown here. Here we will discuss how you can set your website up. You can choose to accept online booking requests or just have the page show publicly for everybody to find you on Google. Here we're going to add a service. We're just going to call this a standard home inspection. Short description, thorough home inspection. Price, $300. Duration, 180 minutes. We set it to active. We'll save the service. Services are updated. For branding, you have control over primary and accent colors, as well as where you can put your profile photo and also your cover photo. You can add services on here also, and you will see in booking requests that you have currently in the system. For SEO, you can choose to have this hosted through InspectForge, totally free, or you can connect this website to your own custom domain if you already have one. For contact, you put your contact information as well as any Google Business, Facebook, or Yelp item on here that will help Google find you through backlinks. Here we have a sample website that would be provided with your subscription to InspectForge. As you can see, all of the areas that were customized in the My Website tab of the main page would be shown here. At any time, someone can request an inspection or one of your services that are listed on your website just by simply submitting request. When they do that, your dashboard will show that someone has requested your services. If you're using the mobile, you will get a pop-up notification that someone has requested your schedule. Here we're going to have a quick look at the best feature of InspectForge, and that's reporting. Here we have the overview of the inspection details. You can see everything is organized by block. The pre-inspection agreement was successfully signed by yours truly, which you can download and archive, or you can view the PDF here in the browser. You can record manual payment, or if you have Stripe, QuickBooks, PayPal integrated, that would automatically notify you through the app that you've been paid. You can generate a repair estimate using MI6 AI that will allow you to provide a more accurate or granular level of estimation for repairs noted in your report. There's also Analyze Appliance, which wasn't used during this inspection, but you can add that at any time with AI by selecting Edit Inspection, snap a picture of the label, or upload a picture of the actual unit, and all of the items related to it will appear. You can quickly go through some of the items that are on that particular report here if you would like. We're going to view report to get the actual report. And you'll notice straight away that in the report overview, there is a card-based system. What this allows the inspector or your client to do is quickly go through to visually see items that might have an issue. Status green means that they all passed and that it's fine. If you have reds or oranges, that's something that you can quickly zoom into to find the subcategory of the items that have any issues or need further evaluation. Selecting any one of these items would show you some of the pictures and items related to that. If you wanted to look at something that has a recommendation, there it is. Navigating back brings you back to the main part of the report. Your clients and yourself have multiple options for viewing the report. You have the cards and the report itself. There's also style. You can edit or resend the edited report directly from the report view. Selecting report will show what the printed report looks like for you or for the client. You can quickly navigate through any of those items that are shown here by simply selecting them. The scissors that are shown here on the report allow you to force a page break for that particular section. Selecting any one of these brings you to that section and shows you that page for that item, where you can continue to scroll through all of the pictures that are there for that item. Very quick. Property and client information. If you would like to change the report style, you can do that by selecting style. And you have these that are already built in. Right now we're using a narrative, but if you wanted to have the report change templates to any of the other ones that you have set up in org settings, you just simply select them here and it regenerates the report. The print button allows you to do a web print. There's no real restrictions on that. Save as PDF uses the built-in compaction and PDF tool to deliver your branded PDF that you can email if you wish. resend or send that's shown here automatically generates a client portal with a magic link for your clients to open up. They will see the exact same view that you see here, with either cards or report, with the option to print or save as PDF at any time.